Hi everybody. Just wanted to give you a brief rundown and the bird's eye lowdown on the Intellij caper. What I've done here is I've downloaded the Intellij Community Edition for Windows. This is Windows 10. What we'll do is we'll run the installer. Allow it to make some changes. Hit next. We'll uninstall the old version of the Community Edition. We'll delete the old caches, settings, and plugins. And now we'll install the new version. This will take some time, so I'll pause the recording. Then we'll click the 64-bit launcher. We'll make associations with .java. Hit next. Install. Now we'll do a pause. After the install is complete, hit Run Intellij Community Edition. Hit Finish. You'll get a splash screen, and then you'll want to do a create new project. Select Java project. Hit next. Give it a name. Hit finish. Close. Make a new class by mousing right and selecting new class. Give it a name. Hello. I don't know what Windows Defender is up to. I type in PSVM Control J, hit enter. Type in SOUT Control J, hit enter. Type hello world. And compile and run. If you mouse right, you can find a run shortcut, Control-Shift F10, and here's Hello World. And that's how you install and run IntelliJ. Thanks.